Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm here with YouTubers about to play soccer, crypto influencers. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Make sure you're exercising every day as well. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum quickly, do the technical analysis. We're not seeing much of a pullback, so in my opinion this is very good news for crypto. Bitcoin doesn't pull back. There's no one really selling, and I made a poll as well, which I'm going to show you in this video, where people think you're going to sell. Let me know in the comments, where would you sell or take profits on Bitcoin? Most people are saying 60k or 30k. Very few people. I'll show you in the tech later on at the end of the video. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Bitcoin still bull flag, and then this rising wedge, which is not looking so good. Rising wedges are actually bearish patterns, this one here. So if this keeps playing out, we could get a correction on Bitcoin. But right now, no major pullback. If it does pull back, I would open the trade after this rising wedge breaks down this big pattern here. But at the moment, no real pullback. Where I would go long on Bitcoin, two places. I would open a long where we are now, in case we get a bounce and this pullback doesn't occur. Then I would have this long setup. Let me adjust it. I would have this long setup from where we are right now. Stop loss just underneath, a little bit of a pullback, so I'll put the long just a little bit lower here, and stop loss just underneath in case Bitcoin breaks down, so it quickly closes the trade if Bitcoin breaks down. That's the trade I would take, opening it at 23,297, stop loss at 23,208, take profit at 24,400. I'm risking $88 to make $1,100 without leverage. It's 12 risk to reward ratio trade. With 10x leverage, that's $11,220. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin there. Stochastic RSI very oversold as well, which is good news. On the hourly, we're overbought, but quite oversold on the longer term time frames. It cooled down a little bit. So that's the trade I would take. And then if that breaks, I would have another trade, this one open. If this one breaks, if Bitcoin plays out in this rising wedge, this one here, rising wedge again, bearish pattern, but I'm not seeing much pullbacks. If it breaks down, then this trade will activate down here on this strong support. That's the trade setup I would take. And then I would have this trade waiting in case Bitcoin had a big pullback and a big failure on this support. So this support is around there. Yeah, and then I would have this trade play out. And I would keep these trades active till 28,000. So that previous trade, the risk to reward is going to be crazy actually. This one here, risk to reward 63 times, risking $88 to make $5,647 without leverage, risking $88 to make $5,647 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $56,000. That's an incredible trade. That's one. And then this second trade, in case this, with very tight stop loss. So if Bitcoin, so what will happen? What I mean is either Bitcoin bounces here and heads up. Take my crypto course. Make sure you understand what I'm talking about. Become one of the guru traders. I want millions of you making millions of dollars. I want you retired and making abundance. And then if this trade fails, if that trade fails, the first one, then trade two will activate at the bottom of this rising wedge with that support. So we're set up on both trades. That's the trades that I would take on Bitcoin. You can pause the video and check them out. And again, if you don't know how to open my trade, you haven't taken the master course, make sure you take it in the description. This is where the trade opens, that gray line. This is where the trade automatically closes with the stop loss, and the take profit is the one at the top, the green. Same for here. So this trade, the trade is open at 22,312, stop loss 22,050, and take profit 28,800. So this one risks $261 to make $6,500 without leverage. With 10x, $65,000. Those are the two trades that I would take on Bitcoin, and those are the setups that I would have operational. If you want to trade, underneath this video, in the description and pin comment of the video, so down below in the video, go down, sign up to Bybit, partner.bybit, use that link to sign up. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses. That $30,000 limited time only. So everyone, go down, sign up in the description, pin comment on your phone, sign up to Bybit, $30,000 worth of bonuses when you meet the trading requirements. And make sure you take the Crypto Guru Master Course and join my 7,000 students, because I want you to become an excellent trader. I want people to be joining Bybit, joining our trading team, the Guru trading team. I want to be the best trading team in the world, and I want you to take the course so you know what's going on here. If you take the Crypto Master Course, is in the description and pin comment. 7,000 students take that course to learn, and join the free Telegram alerts group as well. And I want you to understand what's happening in the markets. And these are down below. I made 25K on Friday, last Friday. Some student made 611% on his trade. James, you're the boss, 100% right. I also made $84,000 on Thursday, $7,000 on Thursday, $5,000 on Wednesday. I've been making crazy gains. That day I made $228,000 on that trading account last week. These are all trades from last week. $807,000 on that trading account last week, which is beautiful. And this is where I said, James, where do you think, this is on my Twitter, where do you think Bitcoin price is high? When do you think Bitcoin price is high, and when would you take profits? 329 votes in about 2 hours. 17% saying 24K, 30% of people saying they would take profits at 30K, and 42% saying they'll take profits at 60K. So people are not looking to take profits down here, which is interesting. And this was me on the 1st of this year. Did you get out of stocks and cryptos on the day of the top? I called the exact day of the top on Bitcoin and crypto in November 11th, 2021. And then I said I was the only one in the world who called it. How do you know? This video was filmed at the Financial Summit. Now with cash, I'm DCAing into Google, Meta, TSM, Tesla, Bitcoin, Uni, MCRT, BNB. And since that day, since the 1st of this year, those are up 70 or 80%. So big congratulations to all of you. And it's not just me. Thank you, James. I got into my first profit, $180 since purchasing your crypto master course. Which is beautiful. And you can see the students, this is 611%. These are my students in the Telegram group. It's a free group. 184% profit, 92% profit. You can just see thousands of them making huge gains. 71%, 66%. These students just making huge gains, including me every day almost making. That day I made 800,000. That day I made 124,000. This student making, thanks James, I took a little profit, 128%. This student made $270. All of those are beautiful. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum and BNB. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.